kids. Let's talk about the parts of a plant. What parts of a plant do you know? Let me show you a picture. What do you know? A plant has, let's start at the bottom. What are these? Those are the plant's roots, right? They're underground, and it's how the plant takes nutrients and water from the soil. What do we call this? It grows out of the roots. That's called the stem. Oh, wait, here's my words. Roots. Roots. The next part is called the stem. That is that long part that connects the roots to the leaves. Next, we have the, what are these? The leaves, right? And some plants will bloom at times of the year. Maybe not all year long, but during certain times of the year, depending on what type of plant it is. And those are called the flowers. You got it. And what does the whole plant grow from? A tiny seed, right? So you plant the seed, and then the roots are here, and the stem, and the leaves, and the flowers. Most plants need soil, water, sunlight to grow. You get to make your own plant today and label the parts. So you have a paper like this. It says plant parts. You also have some little pieces of yarn that looks like this. These look a little bit to me like roots. So you can start with cutting your pieces of yarn and making roots. You might use a little bit of white glue, school glue, for this because it might stick a little bit better than using a glue stick. So I would suggest using your white glue or school glue. And you can start at the bottom of your paper with your roots. If I can get my glue going, I can show you. All right, so start at the bottom of your paper with your roots. They're gonna hang down, right? What comes next? Next comes the stem, right? This looks like a good stem. It's a little long though. I think I don't want it that big, so I'm gonna cut it. Maybe a tiny bit more. And then I'm gonna use my school glue to glue on my stem. Next, we could add some leaves. You have a little piece of green paper to cut out some leaf shapes. Leaves can be whatever shape you want them to be, right? Sometimes they look a little bit like a little teardrop shape. Sometimes they're a little bit triangular shaped, right? Go ahead and add some leaves to your plant. And then the fun part, right? You get to add your flower. So for our flower, we have it's turning into a real plant. We have orange for our flower. So you can use that however you want. You can tear it, you can cut it, you can ball it up, or you can lay it flat. However you want to make your flower. I'm going to put mine in a ball at the top of my stem, and there's my flower. You also have some labels. So if you want to label your drawing with the roots, the leaves, the stem, the flower, even the seed, if you want to put that in there, you can. So have fun. And I hope you learned a lot. Bye.